What's that thing you put next to your bed? It's a table.
A nightstand.
A nightstand for the night.
Perfect.
Winston's having a great day. Oh, look at that. So cute. I can.
No, Julia's like, this is like for
I'm
Disneyland.
home.
Julia's home.
Ah.
I mean, do you see anything you could actually use? How much is it?
$70.
Oh, no.
Oh
Julia,
my goodness.
I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to walk in on you.
I know. Sorry, my space is really small. The bathroom is right next to the kitchen. I'm not sure how sanitary that is, but let's see what I got to eat. I'm poor. But I love to read. So I should get out of this towel. Hold on. And I'm out of the towel.
Oh, perfect.
It's great.
That was great.
It's great. Oh my god, we're late. Oh, that's wrong. I'm gonna go back to daylight savings time.
Have we found what we're looking for?
I think we have. Because it's probably gonna break it after we make it because it's super cheap. That's the Ikea way. That's the Ikea way.
What do you think, Winston? Do you have anything to say?
Yeah, please. Oh, Ned. We took us half an hour, but we're doing it.
We got out of the marketplace and into
The warehouse. Aisle 17. Right now we're in aisle 1, so it's gonna take a while. Hard time right now.
So what is
Do I choose this one or this one?
it's a $5 difference.
I know it's a $5 difference, but it's a life choice, Katie. I gotta live with this for the rest of my life and my
Not
choices.
the rest of your life.
Well, I don't know.
You'll probably move at some point.
But I'd probably bring it with me, wouldn't I?
I don't know, unless you want to give it away or sell it.
I don't know.
It's not a huge life investment. It's gonna be okay. We might even build it wrong, so you might even get to use it. So keep that in mind.
I might just get this one.
Okay, she's gonna get that one. I think that's a great choice.
You think so?
Yes. I think it's great.
Aww. I hope I like you.
Cue the Ron face. Let's just do it. We gotta go. Caitlin's getting her food. If you haven't noticed, gentle viewers, Caitlin is not here because she dropped us off so she could go shop got other things.
No one really helping me with my decisions in life.
Julia,
This is bad to leave me alone with my decisions.
You're not alone. I told you it's good. Just get it.
Should I get this one or the other one?
Get that one.
You sure?
You already grabbed it, so that's what you're leaning towards. Julia, come on. Okay, you're sticking. That's your final choice.
Okay, pick it up with 1 through 10.
8.
Maybe this one's even.
Okay, I'm doing it.
No, actually, I'm doing the other one.
Oh my god. I hate you.